Medical text, the heart, on page 26 and page 27. Time for questions and answers. Page 26, the heart. We discuss what we should know about the heart and what we actually think we know. So let's try and answer these questions. The first question: what is the main function of the heart? Answer: the main function of the heart is to pump blood and oxygen around the body and deliver waste products or carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be removed. Blood brings oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Next question: which structure in the heart, A, closes to permit the flow of blood in one direction only, B, pumps blood into the arteries, C, receives blood from the veins? Let's try and answer A first. So, A, heart valves control the flow of blood so that it moves in the right direction. The valves prevent blood from flowing backward. Let's move on to the next question. Question B. Which structure of the heart pumps blood into the arteries? Answer: from the left atrium, blood flows into the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps the blood to the aorta, which will distribute the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. And question C, which structure in the heart receives blood from the veins? Answer: the right atrium receives blood from the body. This blood is low in oxygen. This is blood from the veins. The right ventricle pumps the blood from the right atrium into the lungs to pick up oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. And the final question on page 26 is: where do the ventricles lie, below or above the atria? The ventricles are the two lower chambers of the heart, one on the right and one on the left. The two upper chambers of your heart are called atria, and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. Blood flows from the body and lungs to the atria, and the atria to the ventricles. The ventricles pump blood out of the heart to the lungs and other parts of the body. And now for some comprehension questions. Questions that are related to the text and, of course, your understanding of the text. So let's begin. Question number 1. What is the main function of the heart? Answer: the main function of the heart is to circulate blood through blood vessels to all parts of the body. Question number 2. How many pumps does the heart have? Answer: the heart works as two pumps, one on the right side and one on the left, working simultaneously. Blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle and then is pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. Question number 3. What do these pumps do? Answer. These pumps, the right and left ventricle, pump blood out of the heart. Question number 4. What are the two circuits of the heart? Answer. The blood vessels of the body are functionally divided into two distinctive circuits, the pulmonary circuit and systemic circuit. Question number 5. What does the right side of the heart receive? Answer. The right side of the heart receives oxygen, pours blood from your veins, and pumps it to your lungs. Question number 6. What does the left side of your heart receive? Answer. The left side of your heart receives oxygen, rich blood from your lungs, and pumps it through the arteries to the rest of the body. Question number 7. What is the function of the arteries? Answer. Arteries distribute oxygen-rich blood to the body. Arteries are part of the circulatory or cardiovascular system, which are the blood vessels that bring oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all of the body's cells. Question number 8. What is the function of the veins? Answer. Veins are blood vessels throughout the body which collect oxygen, pour blood, and return it to the heart. Veins are part of the circulatory or cardiovascular system. They work together with other blood vessels and the heart to keep the blood moving. Veins hold most of the blood in the body. Question number 9. What is pulse caused by? Answer. The pulse is caused by varying volumes of blood being pushed out of the heart. It is the rhythmic dilation of an artery generated by the opening and closing of the aortic valve in the heart. That's all for this lesson, questions and answers about the heart. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below this video. All right then, it's bye-bye for now.